Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we are going to prepare long beans potato fry. We are going to add coconut bits also. This preparation goes very well as a side dish with steamed rice. Let us see how to prepare long beans potato fry. Here I have taken 400 grams of long beans. I have cut off the edges and washed them. Then I have taken 2 potatoes, 22 shallots, 4 green chilli, 3 large cloves of garlic, few curry leaves and 3 tablespoons of coconut bits. I have cut the long beans into 1-inch long pieces. I have cut the potato also into thin 1-inch long pieces. I have chopped the shallots, garlic and green chilli. Let us heat a pan. Let us add 3 tablespoon oil. Let us add half teaspoon mustard seeds. The mustard seeds have spluttered. Let us add the chopped garlic and green chilli. Let us add the coconut bits. Let us add the chopped shallots. Let us add the chopped potato. Let us add the chopped long beans. As the potato and long beans take time to cook, all of this will get fried together. Let us add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and salt. Let us cover and cook. Every 3 to 4 minutes, let us open it and mix it. Let us cover it again. Let us add half teaspoon red chilli powder. Let us add the curry leaves. The beans and potato are cooked now. Let us fry it on a high flame. The beans and potato are well fried now. This is sufficient. Let us turn off the gas. Long beans potato fry is now ready. Let us transfer it to a serving bowl. Hope you like the long beans potato fry preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.